Hey guys, Abhishek here, and today I'll be sharing my full experience of using the OxygenOS on the OnePlus One after about 10 days of use. And in these 10 days, I've noticed some of the bugs about the OnePlus One as well as some good things on the OnePlus One. So, to start with, the first thing that I want to say about the OxygenOS is that it's way too close to stock. And for example, first of all, let me just show you the OxygenOS version that I'm running. And over here, as you can see, the OxygenOS version that I'm running is 1.0.0 and the Android version is 5.0.2. And the first thing that I wanted to show you on the OxygenOS is that it's way too close to stock Android. And in case you just swipe to right, you'll notice that we have the Google Now page over here itself. And the default messaging app is the Hangouts application, and the default camera app is the Google Camera. And since the default camera application is a Google Camera, we don't have any option to record 4K videos. So I rather use the ColorOS camera application that I have manually flashed onto the OnePlus One. And another thing that I want to say about this OnePlus One is that it also doesn't come with the audio effects application. So once again, I used Twerp Recovery to flash this audio effects application onto the OnePlus One. And if you want to notice some difference, some similarities between the CyanogenMod 11 and the OxygenOS. One similarity is that you can still customize the quick toggles. For example, if you want to drag some toggles and arrange them in a particular order, you can just do that. And if you want to revert them back to their original places, there's undo option over here. And there's also a save option through which you can save the new setup. Another thing that is similar with CM11 is that if you go into settings and over here, and let's see, device, over here we have got the gestures for double tap to wake up, open camera, toggle flash, and music controls. Even though we have double tap to wake up, if you will notice, we don't have double tap to sleep. In CyanogenMod 11, if you used to double tap onto the status bar, the phone used to sleep. Another similarity between the CyanogenMod 11 and the OxygenOS is that we have the option to toggle between the on-screen and the off-screen buttons. As of now, I'm using the on-screen buttons rather than the capacitive buttons because I feel that they go well with the Android Lollipop update that we have got. But still, you can switch in case you want to go onto the capacitive buttons. Speaking about the call clarity on the OnePlus One has been great, I feel, and right now with the OxygenOS, it has improved a bit. It's not a drastic change, but it seems that the noise cancellation has been improved a bit, as well as the sound clarity has been improved. Another thing that I want to say is that if you used to use the privacy guard on the Cyanogen module, and you'll notice that we don't have the privacy guard as of now. I was on the OnePlus One forums today morning, and some people were like they were missing this privacy guard. So I went on to the Google Play Store and I got this application. Let me search for it. Oh yeah, over here, its name is UU App Purifier, and what it does is that you can just select the app and you can sideload it, and you can set the manual permissions. For example, if you don't want the application to track your location, you can just disable it. So I feel that this UU App Purifier is a really great alternative to privacy guard. I used to use the privacy guard a lot, so it seems that the UU App Purifier works really great. I've been using this for around 6 to 8 hours, but I've also sideloaded some of the apps, so it works really great, I feel. As I said earlier that it's quite stock build of the Android Lollipop, we also don't have any theme engine onto the OxygenOS. And one thing that I expected from OnePlus was that they would supply us with weekly updates. I still go on to about phones and system update to check the if you have got any system updates. So I'm checking it for every 3 hours or so. but as of now we haven't received any updates, and I hope that we would get updates like maybe once every 10 days or something like that, but as of now we don't have any updates. um, Another thing about the OnePlus One is that we don't have any screencast application. So once again, I found another alternative, which is the SCR5 Plus, and this is a free version, and it allows us to like record the screen for like 3 minutes. But we also get a watermark. There's also a Pro version, but it costs somewhere around like $5. So I was happy with the free version that we get. Um, when I first installed the the OxygenOS, I was having a bit problem with the clock. It was like not working and it was not opening. So in case you are facing this problem, what you need to do is that just go into settings, uh, go into apps, and over here search the clock application and hit on clear data. This will do is that it will clear all the cache etc. from the clock application, and it will start working without any problem. That's what I did, and it worked for me pretty well, I would say. Now moving on to some of the cons with the OxygenOS is that I've faced three disappointments with OxygenOS. First, I would like to speak about the battery life. The battery life is a sort of odd battery life, I would say. When I go to sleep and consider that my battery life is somewhere around like 60%, when I wake up in like 8 or 9 hours, the battery life goes down up to like 43 or 44%. So the idle battery drain, I feel, is a bit too much in my opinion. And another thing, once again, while charging the phone, the screen heats up a lot, I feel. While playing games, it didn't heat up that much, but while charging the phone, I felt that the screen was heating up a lot more than usual. And the average battery life that started to get with the OnePlus One is somewhere around like what do you say, 1 day or 1.5 days, somewhere around that mark. And I ran the Geekbench benchmark tests, and surprisingly the multi-core score of the Geekbench benchmark test was significantly improved, I feel. And so final thoughts about the OxygenOS is that it's way too close to stock and it's in a really early build. So if you like the theme engine etc., just stick on to CyanogenMod 11, or you can also wait for the CyanogenMod 12 OTA update. And as you can see over here in the status, in the notifications, I'm also downloading the CyanogenMod 12. So I might make a video comparing the CyanogenMod 12 and the OxygenOS on my other OnePlus One. So in conclusion, once again, just wait for a while. Let's get a couple of OTA updates, and maybe this OxygenOS performance will improve. And I definitely want to see better battery life onto this device in the near future. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you do like the video and find it helpful, hit that like button and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, as it helps the channel grow. Thank you.